Hi, I'm Michael Wignall, chef proprietor of the Angel at Hetton. So we took over the Angel at Hetton just over 2.5 years ago. Slightly different to what it looks like now, quite oldie worldy, very well known. It was the first gastro pub 30 odd years ago. So when we took over 2.5 years ago, it was very much a pub, a drinker's pub, you know, with the food elements as well. It was quite well known for its food when Dennis Watkins had it a long time ago. So we knew the heritage, but we didn't want to lose that. But obviously, you know, we wanted to put our mark on it. So we started off running it as just a really good pub, you know, with good pub grub for about 6 or 7 months. And then just gradually changed it. Over the last year, it's changed significantly, interior, exterior, and what we're doing as well food-wise, and we just keep evolving. Yeah, so the takeaways have been really successful. It's great to get everyone back off furlough as well. The majority of staff are back working on that 3 to 4 days a week. So we start on a Monday, preparing everything. You know, we write the menus the week before, then we put them online. But it's just, you know, it's just keeping out in the limelight, showing people what you're doing and everything, and then hopefully when we reopen, the guests will come back and see what we've done to the place, because it has, you know, dramatically changed. And you know, it's just about pushing forward and you know, making a positive from a negative. So in the area, obviously there's quite a lot of growers here, so it's great to use all the as local as what we can do, you know. But you know, I've always said that, you know, if there's a farm down the road, we'll use it if it's if they produce something amazing. But if it's not up to our standard, we won't use it. But I think we're quite lucky in this area, and you know, I think people have come together a little bit more during lockdown and work like that. You know, I think you realise how important each part of whatever you do on a dish and where it all comes from, how important all those elements are, and how, you know, how much people struggle, you know, in the lockdown. So, you know, we have supported each other. We've got loads of plans. We're going to start redesigning the rooms across the road, and also the house that we've got next door as well. My business partner, they've bought cottages in the area as well. So it's, you know, it's going to turn into a real, like, quite a large business, but all focusing on the Angel and our ethos and our beliefs as well. So, you know, all encompassing. So, you know, a family could stay in a lovely cottage and then come here on the evening, or one of the newly refurbished rooms. Hopefully, you know, in another 6 months to 10 months time, they'll all be done. So they'll have the same sort of contemporary feel as what the rooms above the Angel are now. And also food-wise as well, you know, I'm not one to sit back. We're always trying, you know, we'll carry on pushing forward and evolving the food offering that we're doing. And I think the beauty of having so much time to sort of step back and think about what we're doing, you know, it's give us a couple of steps forward to actually plan and realise what we really want out of the Angel. And I think it's, you know, it's important for everyone. It's important for your customers. It's definitely important for me, and it's important for the staff as well, to keep them involved, which we have done from day one, and also to keep them interested as well.